Hey YouTube, we're doing a bike check. Stuff. I got animal bar ends, ODI long neck grips, um, Dan Lacey bars. Got stolen shithole stem. Uh, got a don't know if you see that vocal headset. Got salt forks. Got some crappy Kondo wheel. Probably gonna get a new one soon. Got GLH tire. It's a bit worn down. Uh, well, I got BSD Forever frame in raw. Quite nice. Got your clap pedals. Got some crappy 3-piece crank. It's alright, but just don't like it. Got a salt sprocket and a KMC chain. Got Shadow Conspiracy seat. Got Primo the wall back tyre and a salt back wheel I stole off my brother. Got Primo hub guard and salt pegs. But yeah, that's my bike check. Comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you.